we got the kids a little electric motorcycle, an Oset 12.5. And we got Rosie trying it out here. Whoa, you're going fast. Try your brake. Let go of your throttle. Let go of your throttle. And try using your brake, okay? Okay, when you have to stop, you have to let go of the one that you twist, right? And then you use that one, okay? Yeah, okay? You almost smashed Patty Patty. Okay, try it again. There you go, good job. You hop on.
And then you put like on there. Ooh!
A little bit faster, I think. Okay, let go. You gotta hold that.
Rosie, this is Bear's first time. Yeah, she did no feet.
Whoa, you're going fast. There goes Stevie Lynn on the e-bike. And Rosie's out there too. Oh my word, you burn it.
It does not really work until you turn it on.
Yep.
So that's on right off right now. So we're gonna take this off.
So Rosie and I have this really awesome Oset electric kids bike. Come on, Hetty. The dog wants out. And the battery, we do have a 12 volt lead acid battery charger, but we picked ourselves up a 12 volt lead acid or lithium battery charger. It actually has 6 volt as well. So we're gonna try this out with the new Dakota 12 volt batteries that we have in this Oset. And we have it wired up so it's actually 24 volt. So Rosie and I are going to try out this new charger, and we're going to chuck in the old battery so we can get you up and running, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did it by myself.
So wait, got that off.
Yes.
This jumpers come off. Yeah, Rosie's got that. This comes up.
Yeah. And then these batteries come out.
And these batteries come out. 1, 2.
I'm going to go and get a new...
Okay, and we've got those batteries. That one can come off. Those ones are pretty heavy, right? Just do one hand.
Okay. Yeah, these are pretty heavy.
That's gonna go there. Okay, Dad will put that one in.
These ones are pretty heavy. Here's a 2.
There.
Those are pretty heavy.
2.
I don't want to weigh later.
This middle jumper can go on.
Right now?
Yeah, it's off, right? Yeah, the unit's off. Okay, now this can go on. Don't turn it on. You're gonna zap your papa. I don't want to get zapped. You like getting zapped? Okay, now if we flick the switch, we got battery. Okay.
Yeah, don't press it.
Let's turn that off. Flick that over.
I'm going to just take my gloves off.
These go under. There we go. That one's good. Rosie on that side. Yep, there you go. There you go. Pull it up. Pull it up. Okay, so that one's good to go. Let's, Rosie, open up this.
Ooh.
There you go. Keep going. Pull. Real hard. Real hard. Pull. 2 hands. Come on. It feels like they taped it, hey? What's going on here? Aha! There is tape. On the bottom. I think I need a knife. 1 second, okay?
We don't want to buy that.
There we go. That's out.
Oh, dear.
Aha!
Here's our new batteries.
Okay, just a second. Wait for it.
Here's some scratchings.
That was a fail. It never came with the charger in. This is a returned item. Look at that. Fail. It's supposed to come with this right here. They just gave us this, but not the clamps.
Yeah.
The scoundrels. Okay, so we gotta return that. So that was an Amazon delivery, and it was one of the what does it say, like used very good or something like that. I think that charger's gonna work well, but that obviously was missing some components in there. So we'll have to send that back. You want to take this out?
Yeah.
Okay, take this out. 3, 2, 1. Oh my. She's off. Well, that was really too bad about the Amazon new to us purchase. So we'll resubmit that. They're really good. They pick it back up, and we'll order a new one. I do think will be a really good charger. There was good reviews on it. So more to come on that. We'll see you in a bit. Okie dokie, we got in the mail our new charger. So the old one, it's here. It was missing the end on it, and this little clip was broken. So somebody obviously previously had this before us, but like I said, it was an Amazon. I think it was under acceptable, but missing pieces. All right, so let's check out the new one. We got the new package here. There. Okie dokie. So it comes in a nice box. So similar. Okay, how do we open this sucker without destroying it? Come on. There we go. That comes out inside. Is it NOCO? Okay. And there, aha! There's all the pieces. So we got a little bit of foam action there. Some documents. Looks like some Velcro and a clip. And what we were missing before, the positive and negative little alligator clips, I guess. Okay, let's check this out. So we're gonna just plug this in right here. Get the end off of that. So we can see we've got power on the new module. I've got my alligator clips here plugged in, and we're gonna try it out on these Dakota 12 volt 10 amp, which we're doing together to make 24 volts for that Oset bike. Okay, let's go. Negative on, positive on. It automatically selected lithium, says we're at low, and we're just gonna leave that for a while and see how we charge up. So we'll be back. Well, that was only about 2 minutes, and we can see it's at green already. So this one is fully charged. Let's check the other battery. Okay, so there we have it there. We'll leave it there and let it do its thing. All right, so that's battery number 2 is fully charged as well. So this NOCO GENIUS2 looks like it's going to be a great charger. So that'll be the new charger for the Dakota batteries, and we're up and running. The kids will be on that bike and flying around the yard. That's fun.
Several days later.
Okay, let's see if we're on. And we're up and running. Let's open the garage. How do you stay? Okay, let's see you drive. That was good. Little crash. You're going too fast, eh?
Hey, you stop.
I know, I didn't have my shoes on. When you come around the corner, you have to be careful. Come over to here. Here. Okay, put your arm right there. Lift it up. Okay. Okay. Okay, there you go. Use your brakes. So when you come into the corner, you go slow and then you go fast out of the corner, okay? All right, so I have an e-bike as well to go out with the kids, and I have the Marin Nail Trail bike. So here it is. It's a fantastic bike. I've really enjoyed it. And if you don't have an e-bike, I highly recommend you getting one. So let's go catch up to Rosie. Okay, well, you and me are going for a ride. Whoa, are we gonna go all the way to the end? The logging road? Come on, to the logging road. All the way to the logging road. Yeah. There's a big hill here coming up. All right, keep going. You can do it. Keep going, full blast, keep going. Keep going. Ah. That was a big hill, hey? How'd we do? You liked it? Was that fun? You did good. You want to go again?
A few minutes later.
Okay, we're going for round 2. We had so much fun. We're going once more, doing the track again. All right, we're back to where we were a few minutes ago. What do you think, Rose? Should we stop for a break? Okay, put your kickstand down. Some pretty cool rocks. Oh, there, just put your kickstand down right there, Rose. Okay, so we're back. How many batteries do you got? How much battery do you have? 3. Okay. Little follow-up here on the Oset motorbike and the Cabela's Dakota 12 volt 10 amp batteries. They're doing really good. It can go actually really far. We took it on a big e-bike ride. I was on another e-bike and one of my daughters was on this, and it went quite a distance. I'll have to map it out, but it did really well. And so here it is, the little charger. You can see we just hook up the leads to the positive and negative, and you put it on lithium, and wait about 2 hours and it'll give it a good charge. So I'm really impressed. I really like the, however you pronounce it, NOCO GENIUS2. It's a good charger. I would highly recommend it over the other one. We did try this guy off of Amazon, and it did come with a lead that plugged right into the bike. It actually didn't charge. Maybe I have to do some more wiring there. It says it was charging. Didn't work. And then the 12 volt lead acid battery charger, it was charging the Dakota batteries, but we weren't getting a full charge out of it. So this is still a great charger to use for lead acid batteries, but that Genesis 2, it does have that button to press. You press this little button. I'll zoom in there, and you can see it says AGM, lithium, 12 volt or 6 volt. So we're happy campers. Thanks for watching.